Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some Chipotle shrimp stuffed peppers at the pit, and it's real easy to do. That's right, Chipotle shrimp stuffed peppers. All right, you're going to need some shrimp. Those are about medium size, and you're also going to need to get yourself some larger shrimp, right? Tail on for best taste and flavor. You're going to need some fish sauce. You're going to need some butter, some garlic. Here's some chipotle peppers or smoked jalapeno peppers. You're going to need some eggs. You're going to need some cornstarch, white pepper, salt. Here we've got some limes. And here we've got some sweet bell peppers and some panko. All right. Real easy to do, like I said. All right. Take about a half a stick of butter, or about 4 tablespoons, right? And we're going to put them in that pan. And you're going to crush up some garlic. 6, 7 cloves, more or less. That's Pitmaster Privilege, but man, there's never enough garlic, right? All right. Now, we're going to take the butter and the smashed garlic, and we're going to cook them down just a little bit. So we'll place it in the cast iron pan, and this won't take long. Now, while we're waiting, we're going to chop up those medium shrimp. Chop them up good. Right? Oh, man. Looks good enough to eat already. But it's not. All right. Shrimp are chopped up. The butter and the garlic are done. Now let's combine these ingredients. Now here we have fish sauce. Real important to have fish sauce for a lot of added flavor. We've got some salt. We got some white pepper going in. Here, we've got some cornstarch. And we're going to take a couple eggs, minus the yolks. Give it a good mix. Oh, man, this is going to be good. Now, we're going to add the panko. We'll mix it in. Now, you can head on over to our website or our web apps and check out the exact ingredients and the amount we use. Now, let's pour the butter and garlic into the rest of that panko. And we're going to set up this cast iron pan, add some charcoal to the top. Now, what does that do? We're going to be heating from the top down as well. Simple, right? Oh. Just like an oven, and that's why they call them Dutch ovens. Add some more fuel to the fire. Good to go. Now we're going to take those limes and grab the zest. If you don't have any limes, use lemon zest, right? And of course you use a grater to get the zest. There's a lot of flavor in that, right? All right, butter, garlic, panko. Adding some more to the mix. Oh, man. This is going to be good. All right. Consistency is right. All right. Easily rolls into a ball. Now, let's prep these sweet bell peppers. These are the red sweet bell peppers, and they are sweet. All right. And we're going to clean them out on the inside. Right. Simple enough. Perfect. Oh. Yeah, take your time. Now, we could have sped this up a little bit, but, you know, we kind of like doing this. Whoa. All right. Perfect. Now, if you'd like to see the Pitmaster do this again, just rewind the video. Now, we're going to take up some of the mixture, right? And we'll stuff the pepper. That's the whole idea. Stuffed peppers here. And the combinations are going to be fantastic. Now, we're going to take some of those chipotle peppers. Now, they're pretty hot, right? They're roasted jalapeno peppers. And they got some kick to them. And we'll place those right on the top of the stuffing inside the peppers. Now, we're going to take some of those whole shrimp. They've been deveined, of course. Add it to the top. And we're going to place it in the Dutch oven, and it'll be about 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. And it's going to take up to 20 minutes to cook them down. Add some more heat. Oh, yeah. Good living at the pit. Nothing like hanging in the river. All right. Now, I'd say these Chipotle shrimp stuffed peppers are done. We've cooked them to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit inside. You want to thoroughly cook the shrimp. We'll pull it off the grill. Oh, take a look at that. Woo. Now, you got to take a look on the inside. Again, the combination of the flavors here with the sweet bell pepper, the chipotle peppers, the shrimp, the fish sauce. Woo-hoo. And of course, he does apologize for eating in front of you like this, but I doubt it. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.